Hi everyone, welcome back. You're watching Tarot Mystic 1111, and yes, I'm back with another energy update to see what the universe wants you to know. What are the messages for you? Okay, so this is King of Wands energy, fire energy. Someone is feeling fiery about you. This person is all charged up and they feel all passionate when they think about it. There's an intense desire inside of them that really makes them feel this strong pull towards you, an intense pull, magnetic pull. This person wants to take action, and this is a very action oriented card that I'm getting here. And with the Seven of Cups, this person is actually a bit confused. I think they are scared that if they come to you in such an open energy with like so much of intensity, are you gonna get scared? So they're a little bit confused, but they're trying to figure out a way how to approach you.